will be just wiping down the statue and drying, and then we'll be raking the leaves. And if you see there's stray weeds, please pluck it off. Okay? So one person will be on standby to wash the cloth.
Yeah. I think I need to wash the cloth. Now you all can fill the bottle.
I ask them to take.
Dada sini susunda Andre osore latini ewa busan jaba ni tani
We can use this to energize and enhancing our environment. Say you can have a chakra put inside. You go to every corner to do the same thing. 对他讲的对，我们还是可以唱 mantra， 我们可以念佛号。谁？你看你的心目中的佛是谁？但是来到 Kachara 就是多觉神跟护法，我们就会念 Om Pen Sa Viti。